a cup of water. So we'll just do this. And then pour it in here. Now we need to do a teaspoon of borax, but you can do that, James. Good job, put it in.
After teaspoon.
Cool. Now we need a mix, and then we have to put it aside. Now let's put that aside. So now we need to add half a cup of glue. That's half a cup. Okay. Okay, that's good. So put your glue down and then put it in your bowl. Now we need to add half a cup of shaving foam, which is this one. Just use my spatula to get it out. There we go. Now put it in. Okay. Next we have 1 tablespoon of cornstarch with this one. 1 tablespoon each. Okay, that's perfect. Now, a couple pumps of hand lotion. Just to make it extra foamy. 1, 2, 3. Good job. So now you're going to mix it. Now we're going to add the dye to it. So I reckon I'm going to use unicorn gel. I just did 2. Do you want to use purple? That's better. Here we go. It's getting a bit more purpley. Then add borax mixture 1 teaspoon at a time. So you start mixing with your hands, and if it's sticky, you add more borax. Oh my gosh. All right, I need more borax mixture because I think it's really cool. It's like a kind of a purpley pinky color. It's actually really nice. It's so pretty. James, that looks so cool. Can you hear that? All that glue? I heard a fart. What was that? I need a bit more.
That's so slimy.
Quite a bit more.
This is so slimy.
So, oh my gosh, it's actually starting to all like stick together now. I really like it because it's so stretchy and playful. Tell us how you think it turned out. If you think it was good, go bad.
Who do you think better's mine, because it's fat, or Ella's?
Because mine's more pretty and it's more like a unicorn color.
Wow, I love my slime. It's so just cute and playful.
And James is like really neon. It turned out really cool. Put down in the comments what you think we should make in our next DIY video.
Bye!